the telemetry tracking command and monitoring system. So in case of your satellite subsystem, we have seen that there is one your TTC and M. TTC and M. This is stands for your telemetry tracking command and monitoring. Okay. So here you are having satellite, and here you are having this antenna. This is your satellite TTC and M. So if we are considering a typically your telemetry tracking and command monitoring system, it consists of some of the blocks that are there at the satellite and some of the activity will be there at the earth station. So both it is required, satellite and earth station combinedly. Here, so this is your satellite, and at satellite you are having a satellite TTC and M. Here you are having two antennas. You are having the receiving antenna, you are having the transmitting antenna. Receive antenna, it will receive the data from the satellite. Okay, and transmitting antenna, it will transmit the required data from the earth station. Okay, so here you are having at receiving antenna, you are having the telemetry system. Okay, telemetry system, and here you are having the tracking system. What is this telemetry system? Telemetry system will tell about the characteristics of the satellite. Characteristics of the satellite means that whether the satellite is revolving in its orbit or not. What is the elevation angle? What is the range? Different parameters related to satellite we have seen earlier. So those parameters you will come to know from your telemetry system. Here in the satellite many more sensors are connected. So from those sensors the signal are transmitted. So here at the receiving antenna we are picking those signals. If we are receiving the signals from the sensor, this shows that those blocks are working properly in the satellite. Okay. So telemetry, it will tell about the health of the satellite. It will tell about the health of the satellite. Here you are having the data processor. So from your telemetry system, what are the information that we are getting from the satellite? Here you are having the processing of that data. Okay, processing of that data. And here you are having the tracking system. Tracking system, and here you are having a computer for attitude and orbit control. This is a computer for attitude and orbit control. Here what we are doing at the earth station, here we are seeing the location of a satellite at that instant of time. So at one particular time interval, whether the satellite is moving in its own orbit or not. It may be possible that there may be other parameters, other factors that can influence the satellite. So what is happening if the satellite is dragged from its orbit because the influence from some other parameters, here will go for attitude and orbit control. We will try to make the satellite in such a way that it should again come back in its own satellite. So here you are having the Feminis data. Here you are having the Feminis data. Feminis data means here E will be silent. This is the Feminis data. What the Feminis data is? Feminis data will tell about the location of the satellite at any instant of time. Okay. So at now, whether the satellite is in its orbit or not, how much it has been dragged from its orbit. Okay, so if it is dragged from its orbit, here you are having the computer control. We can do some of the changes so as to bring back the satellite to its orbit. Now again here we will get the Feminis data. Again, now what is the status? Now at this instant, what is the status? We will do the changes till the satellite come back in its own orbit. And if the satellite is there in its own orbit, no need for changing any other parameter. So and here you are having the controller. The controller will take care of different parameters associated with the here you are having the tele